Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to use Canva AI video generator. Now AI tools are all over the place nowadays, and Canva happens to have some AI tools that can be very beneficial and can help you design your stuff. Now, let's take a look at some of the AI tools that Canva have. If you go to your Canva account, you'll be able to see this Magic Studio options on the navigation bar located on the left side of your screen. And here you'll be able to see on a bunch of AI tools that Canva have. For example, they have Magic Write, they have Resize and Magic Switch, they have Magic Animate, Magic Morph, text to video, text to image, and many more. Sadly, most of AI tools that Canva offers you can only be enjoyed if you have Canva Pro account. But don't worry, Canva always offers you 30 days free trials for your free account, and you can play around with these tools and then decide whether these tools really are helpful for you or not. Now we're going to go to this app sections on Canva, and we're going to search for an app called Magic Media. This is the AI app that we're going to play around with for today. This is the app, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It says here that you can turn your creative ideas into images and videos. You can create compelling images and videos from simple description, and even turn generated images into videos. They're going to show you the permission that they will need if you do want to use this app on Canva. Make sure to read it before you continue. You can also take a look at the additional information that they have, and if you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and use this app whether on an existing design, if you do have a design beforehand that you would like to alter with AI, or you can start with a new design. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click use in new design, and as for the size, you can choose whether you want to create a custom size, or you can just search for the type of document or the type of design that you will want to create. If there's a Facebook post, Facebook cover, Instagram post, logo, presentation, Instagram story, etc. I think I'm going to go with Instagram story for today. So it's going to be 1080 by 1920 pixels. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here is the blank canvas that we have. And they're going to have two sections, which is images and videos. And all you have to do is add a prompt. Prompt is basically just a sentence describing on what kind of pictures do you want. Now let's try and do the image first. Let's say I want it to be orange cat playing with a tuxedo cat. And then you're going to want to choose on a style. You can take a look at all of the different styles that they have. They have this filmic, photo, neon, subfocus. They also have digital art, fine art, etc. Let's say that I would like to make that pictures in the style of, let's try oil painting. Kind of like it. And as for the aspect ratio, you can choose whether you want it to be in square, landscape, or portrait. I'm making one for the Instagram story, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the portrait one. And once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and click on generate the image and wait until it's done generating. And here are the pictures. I think it's very cute. Kind of like it. I'm going to save it for now. Look at how cute it is. And you can see if you click on this triple dot on the right side of the image, you'll be able to have options such as generate more pictures like this, or generate a video from this specific pictures. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate the video, and now we just have to wait until it's done generating. It's pretty easy and simple to use. Alright, so our video is done generating. I'm going to try and put it into my design and see how it looks like. Now it's a little bit wobbly. You can see that somehow the tuxedo cat loses its head. And it happens sometimes, but it works. Now I'm going to try and create another prompt on the video section. Now, if you're still trying to figure out how things work, you can always use this Inspire Me button, and it's going to create a prompt for you. So let's try and use the prompt from the Inspire Me button and click on Generate Video. Alright, so this is what the video generator gave me from the prompt that I got from the system. Let's take a look at the video. So these one only have like a very slight movement. So I'm going to try and create another one. Delete this one's first. I'm going to go back. And then let's say I want it to be a dancing cookies wearing a sombrero hat. Oh, because why not? And the style in anime style. Was that something? Let's try and generate the video. Alright, the video is finished generating, and let's see how it looks like. I'm going to put it into my canvas and then make it full screen. Oh, it looks so cute. Look at that. So yeah, that is how you can create a video with Canva AI video generator. Once you're done creating a video, you can always share it and then download it in whatever file type you want. Obviously, if it's a video, you'll want to download it in the MP4 video because that is what's suggested. Again, just make sure you take a look at the amount of credit that you have before you continue creating your video, because apparently the amount of credit for images and videos are different. And well, that's basically it. So that is how you can create an AI video with Canva AI video generator. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.